Are you a startup working on AI solutions for low-carbon cement and concrete to transform the way we build, create, and live? If so, we're looking for you to join the Innovandi Open Challenge 2026. We're searching for bold, brilliant startups working on AI solutions that could help us decarbonise the cement and concrete value chain. Under the Open Challenge, successful startups will have the opportunity to partner with the largest cement producers in the world, who will provide mentoring and resources to accelerate your technology. Concrete is the world's most used material after water, and it will continue to be essential for global growth and for overcoming many of the challenges we face, such as climate change, adaptation, and the need for greater resilience. This is your opportunity to collaborate with industry leaders, scale up your technology, and help the cement and concrete industry shape a more sustainable future. If you are a startup working on AI solutions for low-carbon cement and concrete, apply now.